Hello, welcome to MK2 Golf Stories, and today it's wing day. Wings are coming off. So just like with the bumpers, the first thing you want to do is remove the indicators. Got my plastic trim removal tool. There you go. Let's get that under. And there. There's some new ones. There you go. Pull it back. And dear, this needs some newer rubber on it. Oh well. And then that just slides off. Easy peasy. Okay, with the indicator off, there's a load of nuts you need to take off the wing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there you go, with the bolts out, that should stop it. Oh, there's one down here as well. There's also a bolt down here, 2 bolts down here you'll need to remove. Oh, just one bolt. Once you've prised the wing back, there's a couple of more bolts holding it on at the back. Doing the wing on the passenger side of the car wasn't as easy. As you'll see, we had a bit of trouble getting the wing to prise away, and then as you'll see, there was a lot of sealant covering the nuts, which we had to work hard to get at. We use a plastic trim removal tool between the wing and the body to prise it up and get the wing loose. There we go. For the nuts that hold the wheel arch trim on, you need a 8mm spanner. Inside the wheel arch there'll be a couple of bolts, not the ones that hold the trim on, but the ones that hold the plastic trim with the liner onto the wing. So there's a nut here which was completely covered in some sort of sealant, maybe seam sealer. I've had to chip it away. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, got it off in the end. Now there's another one down the bottom somewhere. Once we had the screw out at the bottom of the wing, there was one more underneath holding it onto the car. So there we go. That's the wings off the Golf. That was a lot harder than I expected. But if you found it helpful, give you some hints and tips, maybe give us a like, click on subscribe. I'm going to pop the bumper back on it now so I can have the cross member secured and it can go off to the body shop. Thanks.